Question number 3 is just a little bit different than the comparison shopping that we were doing. It says, at a farming supply store, 7 pounds of seed cost $141.96. If a farmer needs 4 pounds of seeds, how much would it cost him? So we're still using the unit price. We're going to take this 7 pounds that cost $141.90. We want to break it down. We want to break it down, okay? Because the farmer doesn't need 7 pounds. The farmer only needs 4 pounds. So he doesn't need to spend $141.96 for 7 pounds when he only needs 4. So we're going to break down that unit price to see how much 1 bag of seeds cost. And then we're going to take that price of 1 bag and we're going to multiply it by 4. Okay? So we're going to do the same thing to find the unit rate. How much is 1? We're going to take this and we're going to do price per pound. Price per pound, which is a ratio of price compared to the number of pounds. So it's going to give us $141.96 over 7. We're using this as our ratio. Now that fraction bar, what's it mean? It means to divide. We're going to divide. $141.96 divided by 7. Push that decimal up. Okay, 7 won't go into 1, but 7 will go into 14 2 times. 2 times 7 is 14. Subtract, we get 0. Bring down the next digit. Now this one is like the last problem we just did, number 2. Got to be careful. My students always, for years, have made this mistake, okay? 5th graders make this mistake. 6th graders, on up, high school kids, they make this mistake too. 7 will go into 1 0 times. None. 0. So we've got to remember to put that 0 up here. Got to remember that. Because if you don't put that 0 up there, it's going to look like $2 and some cents. It's really $20 and some cents. Okay, so it's a big difference. The price of a bag is $2 or the price of the bag is $20. Okay, now then, since we didn't have anything there, it couldn't go into it, 7 couldn't go into 1, we can bring down the next digit, which is a 9. 7 will go into 19 2 times. Now, when I write my 2, it's going to go over this 9 that I dropped down, which is behind the decimal. That's good. That's where I want it to be. Okay, 2 times 7 is 14. Subtract and I get a 5. Bring down the next digit, which is a 9. And I'm just looking at this thinking, I did this wrong. But I'm good though. It's a little mistake. I wrote 99. It's actually 96. So I was looking at that thinking, I thought this divided out evenly. And it does. Okay, so let me make that correction. Made a correction. $141.96. I corrected that. I slid it down. It's a 6. Okay, I'm back on track. Okay, 7 will go into 56 8 times. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 7 is 56. All right. So each bag is going to cost $20.28 per pound. That's 1 pound of seeds. But the farmer needs 4 pounds. So we have to take this and we have to multiply it by 4. It's a 2-step problem. We're going to multiply the price for 1 pound times 4 because he needs 4 pounds. So we've got to pay for $20.28 for 1 pound, for 2 pounds, for 3 pounds, and 4 pounds. He wants all 4 of them. They all cost that price. So we're going to multiply. We're going to multiply the 4 times 8, 4 times 2, 4 times 0, 4 times 2. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. Carry my 1. 4 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. And 4 times 2 is 8. Now, remember to put your decimal into your answer. We kind of ignored the decimal, but now we got to put it back in. This decimal is in the hundredths place, so I want it in the hundredths place in my answer. Don't forget your dollar sign. Okay, so 4 bags of seeds is going to cost $81.12.